Everhaunt, Angola, New York. Hot Christmas action, day 2. Boo, wow, let's get this bad boy going. Good morning, my people. This is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. It's day 2, hot Christmas action at Everhaunt in Angola, New York. If you're unfamiliar with the channel, I paint monsters for a living. But at this very instance, I am painting happiness and joy, the Christmas spirit. Today, a bunch of snowmen in a better area that you can see the transitions, not in a thin hallway. I'll be in a more of an open room, so that's going to be much better. So hey, come on board, please subscribe, like, share. In the description below, there will be a link to our Stuartizm.shop, where you can get a bunch of swag from Stuart, bunch of artwork, everything from t-shirts, shoes, blankets, you name it, cell phone covers. Oh yeah, I wouldn't lie to you. So come on board, enjoy the transitions. Thanks for watching, people. We'll see you in the end of the video. right, people, we are done with the walls. So we're gonna sit there and chill out in the hotel, which we're at right now. And tomorrow, hot floor action. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out my Shopify account. Remember, free shipping, December 15th. And also, I'll be throwing some videos in the description below. If you'd like to support the channel, there is a PayPal link in the description below as well. So one-time gift, couple bucks, would really help the channel. And really appreciate you watching. We will see you on the next video. Take care.